Good evening, everyone. Hope you all will be fine. Actually, I just wanted to make a very small video and like to share one information to all of you. As all of you know, our income tax filing work already has been started, and from first week of this June it has been started. And because of Corona, it extended actually. Normally, we used to start it from 1st April itself. This year, because of Corona, it started from June first week. But one information is like, normally we have to invest any tax saving scheme or tax benefit scheme or any expenses to claim the income tax benefit. That one we have to do it before 31st of March. That means from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020 we have to invest normally to claim the tax benefit this year. So that one has been extended now because of this Corona effect. Government has declared the extension time of another 3 months. That means from 1st April, I will write and explain here. Like financial year, we are going to file for financial year. I am writing it here. Just see financial year 2019-20. That means from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. So in between this period, if we have made any investments or any tax benefit scheme, we have put any money, we can claim that as income tax benefit to reduce our income tax, to reduce our income tax burden. So we have to put some investments like as per sections, particular sections government has already announced that is in that income tax rule. So in this period we have to do, but this year alone what has been done, like government has given another 3 months, that means till 30th June 2020. See, this year around 15 months, that means from 1st April 2019 to 30th June 2020. In this period, if we have invested anything, we can claim that as income tax benefit. Investment in the sense I am telling, like ATC. ATC means for LIC, life insurance, for health insurance, and for like house rent loan EMIs and educational loan interest, and all these investments we can do before 30th of June. That means this year 15 months they have given. Normally 12 months. This year alone they have given 15 months time. So extra 3 months they have given because of Corona effect. So few of my friends having doubt, like if this year they have extended till June, what will happen next year? Next year again from June to June it will go. No, it will not like that. This year alone, because of lockdown, they have given another 30 days extra time, because Corona effect has come into India like from last week of March. That means exactly the year end closing time only it affected our country. So that time alone all shutdown and lockdown happened. So most of the companies closed, not able to close their financial accounting. People not able to make proper investment. Most of us in India, like we used to do investments in the last week of March to make use of that. But now because of this Corona, we are not able to do. Now they have extended this 3 months time to make investment. Suppose somebody missed this last week of March, somebody missed to put any investment scheme or tax saving scheme, they can put that money before this 30th of June. So those, all of my friends and relatives, those who not yet taken or not before plan to do it or not able to do in the last week of March, now they have given another 3 months time. That means June, this month. So today is 12th June. So another 18 days is there. So before this 18 days, you have to put any investment. And if you put this investment, you can very well claim the benefit for financial year 1920. That means assessment year 2020-21. So within this, while we are going to file income tax for this particular period, we can claim this 15-month expenses. Before it was 12 months. Now extra 3 months time has been given because of lockdown. So altogether this year alone 15 months will be there. So request all of you who are missed before, they can very well make use of this last opportunities to claim their income tax benefits. And any further doubt, you can call me. Thank you.